Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making some slime. But before I even get started making the slime, don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more videos of me making slime and different other crafts. So let's get started. What I have is a bowl to make the slime in. I have my borax in here with some water. I don't really use borax, but since my friend gave me some, I'm using it because I don't want to waste it. And then we got some food coloring. This food coloring is optional. You don't have to put in your slime. I got some baby oil, our glue, and right now I don't have this ingredient here, but it is water. So I don't think I would use it. I don't know. I would. Okay. So let me just move this over here. And yeah. So let's get our glue. I think that's enough. I don't know, but let's just make some fluffy slime, I guess. I was gonna make glossy, but I changed my mind. We're gonna make okay. There you go. Let's mix in the glue with the shaving cream. Let's add a little bit of baby oil. If I can open it. I don't think I'll be able to open this. Since there's oil at the top. Yep, I won't be able to open this. So let's just not put that. Okay, now it is time to put in our food coloring. I don't know what color should I make, so let's just take out the food colorings that we have and close our eyes and see what color we like. So let's close our eyes. This color. Okay, we're making blue. Alright, let's just mix a color, another color. This one. Okay, blue and yellow. Mending colors. So let's put these two back. Okay, let's put in those two colors in here. So we have 1, 2. I'm sorry of the background noises. It's just that since like we have to be moving stuff around here and we have to clean up it. Okay, so we got our blue side and then we got our other side. Okay, let's stir it in. Oh, that's a nice color. It turned into this minty colored-ish. It looks better off camera. It's really nice. I might add black glitter at the end off camera to make it look like chocolate, mint chocolate chip ice cream. So yeah, now that we have that, it is time to add our borax. So yeah, I mixed this until it was completely dissolved. So let's add little by little. Now let's mix. It should be clumping up really fast if you use borax. But for this slime, you can use any activator, like lime, contact lens solution, baking soda, borax, laundry detergent. I usually prefer Tide. So yeah, it is clumping up. Okay, I think I'm gonna add more. But since it's already clumping up, I'm gonna add a little bit. There we go. I'm gonna stir it until it is no longer sticking to the bowl. Okay. There's some glue at the bottom down there that I haven't mixed. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of borax stuff. It was a lot, but okay, now that is no longer sticking to the bowl, it is time to take them and knead these slime. This slime, let's just get the slime that's the leftover slime that's in there, and then it can start playing around with it. Okay, it's nice and clean. Okay, now let's put that. I love the color and everything. It is really nice. It is a very stretchy slime. It is not sticky. It is really nice. The poke is really awesome. The clip is in the middle, but it's still a good slime. And last but not least, let's try the swirl. Let's just stretch it a little bit. That's a decent swirl. Okay. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to make another fluffy slime like this, but a different color, write in the comment section down below. If you do want another fluffy one, or just already on a foam bead slime, and you guys, I'm gonna pick, you can pick the color, the one who has the most of the color will be the slime of the other fluffy slime that we will be making. So, bye guys, I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, don't forget to smash that like